Immerse yourself in enchanting outdoors. Discover incredible landscape designs for your retreat. Immersing yourself in the enchanting outdoors is akin to stepping into a realm where the stress of everyday life melts away, replaced by a serene and captivating refuge. Embracing the beauty of nature not only rejuvenates the spirit, but also offers a sanctuary that promotes mental and physical well-being. With incredible landscape designs, transforming your outdoor space into a personal retreat becomes an exciting journey of creativity and self-expression. Here, we explore various elements that can elevate your landscape into a magnificent haven. To begin with, the overall layout of your space plays a crucial role in setting the stage for a harmonious outdoor environment. Consider the unique characteristics of your landscape, such as slopes, natural water features, and existing vegetation. These elements can be enhanced rather than altered, creating a seamless blend between your design and nature's organic flow. For example, a sloping garden can be transformed into a series of terraced levels with stone steps and planters cascading down the incline, creating both visual interest and functional seating or planting areas. Water features are another enchanting element that can dramatically transform any outdoor space. The gentle murmur of a cascading waterfall or the tranquil calm of a reflective pond introduces a dynamic sensory experience. Not only do these features add aesthetic value, but they also attract wildlife, thus bringing a lively touch of nature closer to your doorstep. Consider incorporating a small stream meandering through your garden, or a waterfall adorned with lush ferns for a vertical visual feast that also cools the surrounding environment. Plant selection is paramount in crafting an inviting and evergreen outdoor retreat. Aim to create a rich tapestry of textures and colors by combining various species of plants. Evergreens provide year-round structure and continuity, while flowering plants offer seasonal bursts of color and aroma. Incorporating native plants can also enhance sustainability by requiring less water and maintenance while supporting local wildlife. Furthermore, consider layering plant heights to create depth and dimension, integrating towering trees with mid-sized shrubs and low-lying ground covers. Creating intimate spaces within your outdoor retreat encourages use and enjoyment. Delineated zones can serve multiple functions, from meditation and yoga spaces to areas designed for social gatherings. Install cozy, well-placed seating such as hammocks, swings, or cushioned benches that invite leisurely afternoons spent in quiet reflection or lively conversations. Fire pits or chimes sprinkled throughout the landscape provide warmth and an inviting focal point, perfect for extended evening gatherings or solitary contemplation under the stars. Thoughtful lighting design can extend the usability of your space well into the evening, adding a touch of magic as daylight fades. Strategically placed lanterns, string lights, and solar path lights create a warm, inviting atmosphere while highlighting key features of your design. Opt for soft, ambient lighting to enhance relaxation and mood, transforming your garden into a captivating nighttime haven. Incorporating art elements such as sculptures, custom-made benches, or intricate trellises can further personalize your retreat. These artistic touches showcase your personality and add layers of interest to the landscape. Wind chimes or kinetic sculptures introduce movement and sound, enhancing the sensory experience. Finally, consider the ecological aspect of your landscape design. Implementing sustainable practices such as rainwater harvesting, drought-resistant plantings, and organic gardening techniques not only benefits the environment, but also reduces maintenance efforts. These choices reflect a harmonious balance with nature, allowing your outdoor retreat to thrive as a dynamic, living extension of your home. In conclusion, immersing yourself in the enchanting outdoors through carefully crafted landscape designs offers more than just visual pleasure. It creates a personal sanctuary for relaxation, reflection, and connection with nature. Whether your space is a sprawling garden or a compact balcony, thoughtful design choices can transform it into a remarkable retreat that resonates with your spirit and provides a refuge from the hustle and bustle of modern life.